Hey guys, okay, day 2 of building the ramp. This is a lot of hard work today. Basically, setting all the posts in concrete, getting that dug out for the ramp, for the lower ramp. That's pretty close. We'll have to do like a metal transition thing there to the edge of the sidewalk or something. But yeah, we have to add a couple more posts. Back in my truck is another $475 worth of decking. See all the dirt I dug up there, and then the Cub Cadet wagon. Got the 680. Got the 680 hydro out. Yeah, I know it says 682, but it's not a 682. Somebody replaced the hood. Look. See, there's a single cylinder, 12 horsepower Kohler in here, not a twin. So yeah, that's all the dirt we took out. Alright, there's the ramp. You can kind of see you're going to go up, you're going to hit the landing, you're going to go up again, hit the landing, and then there'll be a ramp going from the landing to the door. Yeah, setting concrete here. We couldn't drill down further here because the conduit for the post lamp out there. So this is set. So we set this in Quikrete here. You know, it might rot, but I mean, really, it's got to serve its purpose, you know. If it does the purpose for a couple years, that's great. It's just like Mom's coming home Friday, so we got to do this. So tomorrow I'm going to work on the garden. Roger has to do something else, so tomorrow I'm going to work on the garden, plant my tomato plants, and then Wednesday morning, at the crack of dawn, we're going to start putting the decking on. We got to add some more joists there, put some more posts in. There'll be a post like right there, and there'll be a post about here in the center, and one there in the center, and then one there and one there. We have to add our post railing up here somehow. Yeah, it's coming along. We'll have another post right here. Right here will be another post. I still have plenty of posts left. That's all the posts I have yet. There's going to be a set of stairs coming off of here. And then once I'm all done there, I'll fill this all in with the ledger board. We'll cut some scraps of something. Pressure treated even fence board. So there you go. Well, I got some deck screws. I got some fasteners, and they were $40, but you know, there's $425 worth of lumber. Yeah, there's our 5/4 by 6 by 8 and 10. So there, that's what we were up to. Mom was trying to figure out what I'm building. Very tired. So all I got to buy now is the railings, and we have to figure out if we're going to do balusters. I have some deck balusters, maybe 40 tops. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to use them or not. So that's what we're at. Just a quick video here to give you an update. My neck is burned. I don't have any hair in the back of my head anymore because I got it cut off, and I have sunburn on my neck, which is something I never had since I was a kid. The rototiller, we dug that out with the rototiller today. Yeah, these posts are just set, and these are set. They're all set. It was the Quikrete. You just add water to it. They're solid already. Everything, nothing moves. Very solid. So there we go. That's where we're at. You guys take care. Have a great day. God bless. See ya.